Hey, I hope you all are doing well. This is Valon, and today I want to share with you all a really easy way to make money from home, and that's through mailing postcards with the Cash System Unlimited by JD Marketing. All right, so when you've joined for $50, you're going to receive 200 postcards in the mail that look like this. Okay, that's the front, and this is the back. Okay. You're also going to receive your 200 names and labels, okay, to mail on your postcards and send out. And you're going to receive your flyer in the mail that you can mail out if you choose to do so, okay? And when you get ready to join, it's only $50 to get started. And for your $50, you're going to receive $25 for every person that joins up under you. You're going to receive 200 additional postcards and names for every person that joins up under you, which I think is absolutely amazing. Because if you've ever done direct mail before, you know how expensive it can be to order postcards and leads. And this company, Cash System Unlimited, provides all of that for you. So the only thing that you will have to pay for is your stamps. And when you join my team, I'm going to give you the plug for my stamps in my training. Okay. So no worries there. All right. So when you get ready to join, if you're just ready to join today, what you want to do is you want to go to jdmkt.com. You want to scroll down. And as you can see, when you join phase one, it's $50. That's all it takes to get on the road to financial freedom. For your $50, you're going to receive, again, 200 postcards and 200 leads. You're going to receive your phase two upgrade form. You're going to receive your order form and a copy of your flyer. Okay, it's going to be your own personalized flyer. And for your $50, you're going to get $25 for each referral, plus 200 names and 200 postcards for every sign up you receive. When you want to make more money, you're going to simply upgrade to phase two. Okay. And I'm going to go over phase two in a separate video. All right. So, guys, when you get ready to sign up, you just want to scroll down and you want to make sure you read the instructions carefully. So, what you want to do is when you get down here, you want to put in my ID number to join my team, and that is 515. Okay. You want to put in 515 where it says ID number, and that's how you're going to join me. And you're going to put all your information right here where it says name, address, phone number, email, yada, yada, yada. Any comments that you want to put. Are you a human? Yes. And then you want to click submit. After you hit submit, you're going to simply hit the back button and you're going to come to where it says buy now. And that's how you're going to pay your $50 to get signed up. Okay. And then after that, JD Marketing is going to send you all of your marketing materials to get started. They're going to send you your postcards, your leads, and everything that you need to get started. Okay. And so, guys, once you join my team, just contact me if you have any questions about the company, about anything related to Cash Building System Unlimited. And I'm here to help you. I'm very accessible. So, yeah, just give me a ring, send me a text or an email if you need any help. Okay, guys, I want to welcome you in advance to my team and I look forward to working with you. See you on the inside.